Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, our topic will focus on projects falling under Certificate of Non-Coverage or Category D, as defined in Memorandum Circular 2014-005, which is known as the Guidelines for Coverage, Training, and Standardized Requirements. Category D are projects that are likely to cause significant adverse impact on the quality of environment based on the screening guidelines, but still isn't exempted to comply with the Philippine environmental laws. These are usually businesses operating at commercial buildings, areas, warehousing of non-hazardous products, or retail stores, etc. In addition, as long as your products are non-hazardous chemicals or items, or not under PCL or Priority Chemical List and the CCO or Chemical Control Orders list, it has a higher possibility that the establishment will fall under this category. I will put the link on the description box for your reference. Another example includes the warehousing of non-hazardous materials such as metal sheets, toilet paper, lumbers, water refilling station, office-based services, etc. Commercial establishments, hotels, malls, groceries, apartments, and so on and so forth. Note that parameters such as the facility's floor area and production volume should still be considered. The point is, the category of your project will still depend on the MC 2014-005. I'll show you some more examples of businesses that may only require CNC. First example is a 0.5 hectare school. This falls under 3.6.2 as shown below. School under category D, so it will require CNC. But make sure to consider the size of your school. If it is less than 1 hectare, it's considered category D, CNC. However, if it's more than 1 hectare but not more than 5 hectares, it will fall under category B. Our next example is a 100 square meter salon. Let's say that your salon is located on the first floor of your residential area. This falls under 3.6.1, commercial establishment, mixed use under category D. Our third example is a clinic that offers radiology services, dental services, and outpatient services only. This falls under 3.6.3, institutional and other structures with laboratory facilities, so CNC can be applied. Take note that this establishment disregards size as shown on the table. Next example is a 100 square meter LPG retailer, which is a commercial establishment falling under 3.6.1. Since it is less than 1 hectare, it still falls under category D. Our fifth example is a 500 square meter junk shop without hazardous or toxic substances, falls under 3.6.2, since junk shops are considered as storage facilities. Other specific businesses that may fall under 3.6.1 are the following: grocery store, warehouse of steel, pharmacy, hotel, apartment, resort or pool, and hardware. These establishments are considered commercial establishment, so it will fall under category D, CNC. This is all of our examples, and I hope you gained some insights about the establishments that may only require CNC. But before I end this video, here are some bonus PCO side notes and tips. Number 1, if you are operating in a commercial building or in a commercial area, it's more likely that your business will fall under 3.6.1 or commercial. If you cannot locate your specific description in Annex A, just select the closest description, but make sure to consider the capacity or size of your project and other criteria indicated on the table. And that would be all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. You may also want to share this video with your colleagues to help them gain knowledge about this topic. Well then, see you next time!